something massive is unfolding in Washington, D.C. The Supreme Court just aimed at one of Donald Trump's biggest power moves, and what happens next could rewrite presidential authority for decades. Inside the courtroom, tension was off the charts. Justices from both sides grilled Trump's legal team over those controversial emergency tariffs he imposed on foreign imports. Chief Justice John Roberts leaned in with a sharp question. Why should a president have the power to tax imports when that power belongs to Congress? Even Justice Brett Kavanaugh, one of Trump's own appointees, wasn't convinced. He called the administration's defense a donut hole in logic, saying it made zero sense that a president could shut down trade entirely but not add even a 1% tariff. And then came the bombshell. Justice Amy Coney Barrett warned that if these tariffs are struck down, it could unleash total financial chaos, billions in refunds, market panic, and a trade system thrown into uncertainty. Here's what this all means. The case centers on a law called the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, the same law Trump used to justify massive tariffs during his presidency. It was meant for short-term emergencies, not long-term trade wars. Now the justices are asking, did Trump stretch that law too far? If the court rules against him, future presidents could lose the ability to impose tariffs on their own, handing that power back to Congress. But if Trump wins, it could set a precedent that allows any president to declare an emergency and control trade with the stroke of a pen. And here's why you should care. Those tariffs affect everything. From the price of your groceries to your next car to your smartphone, one ruling could drop prices overnight. Another could make presidential power stronger than ever. The decision hasn't dropped yet, but when it does, it won't just decide a court case, it could redefine who truly runs America's economy. I want you to stay tuned because when that verdict hits, it could shake the country to its core. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more breaking and insightful news.